A beggar had been sitting by the side of the road for over 30 years. One day, a stranger walked by. "Spare some change?" mumbled the beggar, mechanically holding out his baseball cap. "I have nothing to give you," said the stranger. Then he asked, "What's that you're sitting on?" "Nothing," replied the beggar, "just an old box. I've been sitting on it as long as I can remember." "Ever looked inside?" asked the stranger. "No," said the beggar. "What's the point? There's nothing in there." "Have a look inside," insisted the stranger. The beggar managed to pry open the lid. With astonishment, disbelief, and elation, he saw that the box was filled with gold. This is a very powerful story that I remember hearing from Eckhart Tolle when I was going through advanced cancer and divorce. The message is simple and very profound. And as you embrace this message on a daily basis, you will find that you will expand your happiness within your relationships with other people. You are responsible for your own happiness. Sustainable happiness flows from the inside out, not the outside in. Happiness is an inside job. Breathe in through your nose and release. Over the next 24 hours, focus on 2 activities in life that light you up, that create a sense of joy, that are not dependent upon another human being. As you fill yourself up with those things in life that bring you joy and happiness, apart from other people, you will step off the roller coaster that comes from demanding that other people are responsible for your happiness. This is an inside job. Happiness flows from the inside out. As you remember the truth, other people are not responsible for your happiness. This empowers you to seek out those things in life that light you up. Then you get to bring that joy into any relationship that you choose to engage in. And you will be able to say, rather than "you make me happy," happiness arises when we are together.